What's going on, guys? Mathieu here. In today's episode we are touring a beautifully remodeled property in the Sierra Oaks neighborhood in Sacramento. We're about 15 minutes to downtown, close to Watts Avenue and also to Highway 50, so very convenient location. This property we're going to tour is right behind me. It's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 13 square foot, currently on the market for $1.7 million. Special thank you for the listing agent to allow me to tour this property today. Without further ado, let's go inside. Hey, if it's your first time to the channel, if you're just tuning in, if you want to know everything there is to know about Sacramento and the Sacramento area, like this beautiful neighborhood of Sierra Oaks here in Sacramento, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be the first to learn about what Sacramento has to offer. My name is Mathieu Adams. I'm a local licensed real estate agent here for the state of California. Let me tell you, I'm getting phone calls, emails, and texts of people just like you every single day that want to move into Sacramento, and I'm very happy to have them out. So whether you want to move in 9 days or 90 days, feel free to reach out, email me, call me, text me. My phone number is on the screen right now. And let's go have a look at this beautiful remodeled property here in the Sierra Oaks neighborhood. Let's go. Alright, so we're on a kind of quiet street actually. And behind this house you have Watts Avenue, and that direction is south, so you're getting to Highway 50 and probably 15 minutes to downtown Sacramento. A very nice area, very close to Lumen Plaza as well. Love this circular driveway here. A lot of redwood to add some privacy, but also you can tell this house has been here for quite a bit. So it's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, beautifully remodeled. We're going to stay outside for a second here. You have a 2-car detached garage on the side. When we explore the backyard, you guys can have a look as well. And look at the large property. So 0.6 of an acres, 3,600 square foot and change, currently on the market for 1.7. Thank you for the listing agent to allow me to tour this property today, and we're gonna look at this one and just call a bit nice. It's very sit nicely on a single floor and a lot of open room actually when you come in. So let's go in. And I love the attention to detail, having this gold or this brass color door handle. Make it a little bit more luxurious. Anyway, from the entrance we have the choice to get to the kitchen, the living room, or we can make a left also to the bathroom and then all the bedrooms on this side there. So to the right side you have the first half bath, very nice for the guests as they come in. A very large pantry space. We're coming in. Love the engineered hardwood floor here. And look at the amount of cabinetry you have in this kitchen, and this big U-shape, darker tone cabinetry, iron appliances with the Viking line. For the microwave under the counter, you have your double oven and a 6-burner with a little green in the middle, pot fillers, and also your dishwasher. I love this 2-tone faucet here, very nice with little handles on the top here. Beautifully executed remodel for this property. Your fridge is going to come up here, and you're getting into the living room. Circular, semicircular fireplace to create some warmth in a chilly winter time. We had this winter. You have a little bar area here and quite a nice flow. Hopefully the cameras show it pretty nicely, but a very nice flow between the living room, dining room, and the different areas for living space here. We're getting into the first living room. You have a second one in the back here, probably TV where the frame is here, sitting here, and just panning around on the other side so you guys can have a look. Also this beautiful space here. You have a little pool in the back, your 2-car garage. And continuing on this direction, you have a little office, which is nice. I mean, this is technically a bedroom, but it's mostly an office. So you have an access to the backyard here, and probably a full bathroom. So which is great, because if you want to use the pool in the back here, you have access to a shower right away. So second living space here, a little bit tucked away. It would be nice for a reading area. And look at the kitchen again. We're gonna go through the entire house and we're gonna go to the other side of the property where the bedrooms are sitting. You have a little bit an extra closet right here. We're getting into the first bedroom on the left here. Nice tall ceiling, you have a nice vaulted ceiling. Same flooring throughout the entire house. I think it's just beautiful. Nice bathroom. This would be the second full bathroom with a double sink vanity. And your standard shower tub combo here, beautifully done. Not a lot to do in this house. I mean, it's very well redone. You have across the way, you have your laundry space with your side-by-side washer and dryer. You have another tankless water heater here, and enough counter space to pre-wash your clothes and fold them as well. Some nice laundry space. Your second bedroom of the house, if we don't count the office in the front. This one has a view of the front of the house. For all the trees, it's very private actually here. This one is a little bit smaller than the first one we saw on the left side here. I'm gonna make a left here. Second, third bedroom of the house. I'm losing count of what bedrooms we're in right now. They're all nice because you have also a skylight. You can tell this is a pretty older style property because of the skylight as well. So, anyway, gonna make a left, and this is one of my favorite spots of the house. We're entering into the master suite or the ensuite here. First closet as you come in to the right side. You have, look at this master suite. I'm losing my word. The first time I walked in, I was just like, wow, this is a big room. You have your own fireplace in the back here. Lovely king size bed here, right? Sitting right in the middle here, with underneath this free skylight. And as we continue on, you get into your ensuite master with a double shower head. And the size of this, I don't know if you guys can appreciate the size, yeah, but just a very big shower. You have your freestanding tub sitting right in the middle here, and your double sink vanities. I love this darker tone in the bathroom they picked, and this golden accent a little bit everywhere, so very nice. And you have your toilet obviously, and a larger closet for the master. Very nice. Let's explore the outside, the pool area, and the backyard. What I love about this outdoor connection is this double sliding door. Get you a nice connection between the outdoor and indoor space, and also view of your pool. It's a nice backyard, 0.6 of an acres. All new fence throughout. Not a lot to do here. It's nice, you have a lot of green space all around it. Not a big trees down nearly next to the house, so all the landscaping has been done. This probably called for a pergola right here, but overall pretty great space in your driveway for your car into your 2-car garage here. Very nice overall. Very well executed, well preserved property overall. Well, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video tour. If you have any question about this property, all the listing information is in the description down below, so feel free to check it out. And if you want to see something else, pick one of these 2 video tours. I hope you enjoyed this video tour, and we'll see you at the next one. See ya.